Valentine's Day is coming, so I figure this is a good project for me. I'm going to use my flexible fixture. You can find the link on the description box. I'm using the 4.25 mighty hoop. I mark. We want the center to be, and we want the mark that we put facing us. That's what you gotta pay attention to. You want that mark to be facing us, and you want it to be in the center of the hoop. It's not that hard to accomplish that. So once we are sure that it's in the center, we are going to grab the other side of our mighty hoop, and we are going to go ahead and finish hooping. And we are ready to go to the machine. We want the laser light to be right on that mark that we placed, and I'm going to put some water soluble stabilizer, and we are ready to start. And that is all it is. Until next time.